For demonstration, here we have 13 stitches. On my needle, 12 stitches, multiple of 3, 4 times 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 and plus 1, extra stitch 13. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip pinch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2. Make 3 from 1 stitch. First we make an extra stitch. So insert this needle after the stitch from here and make an extra stitch. 1, now yarn over 2, knit 1 from back loop, 3. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 2, make 3 from 1 stitch, 1, 2, 3. This is 3 stitches pattern, 2, 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Knit 2, 1, 2, make 3 from 1 stitch. First we make an extra stitch after the stitch. 1, yarn over 2, knit 1 from back loop, 3. One more time, knit 2, 1, 2, make an extra stitch after the stitch. 1, yarn over 2, knit 1 from back loop, 3. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern, last 3 stitches, knit 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. First row is complete. Now second row, wrong side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 3 together from back loop. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 3 together from back loop. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 3 together from back loop. One more time, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 3 together from back loop. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern, last 2, purl 2, 1, 2, purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1. One more time, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern, last 3 stitches, purl 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row, wrong side. In this row, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 1. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1. One more time, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1. Last 3 stitches, knit 2, 1, 2, purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row, right side, slip edge and knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. Fifth row is completed. Now sixth row, wrong side, purl these all stitches. equal edge from wrong side. 6 row is completed and our pattern is also completed. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. So again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater, caps and mufflers. So friend, if you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.